Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Constants and variables. In this video, we are going to learn about how many types of constants are there, how many value types are there, and how to use them. So let us now continue with our session. The concepts are: first, definition of constants and classifications. Second one, definition of variables and classifications. Now, let us discuss about the first topic, that is definition of constants and classifications. Now, what is constants? A constant is a value or an identifier whose value cannot be altered or changed during the execution of the program. For example, const double pi is equal to 3.14. Here pi is a constant value which is taken as an example. We should know what is an identifier. Identifier is the names for the entities in a program. As we have discussed about identifier in our previous slides, constants are classified into the following types. First type is integer constant. For example, 0, minus 22, etc. Second type is floating point constant. For example, minus 2.0, minus 33.0010, etc. Third type is character constant. For example, single quote A, single quote D, etc. Fourth type is escape sequences. For example, \B is used for backspace. Fifth one, string constant. For example, good, morning, etc. Sixth, enumeration constant. These are integral constants. For example, enum, color can be like yellow, red, green, etc. First constant type is integer constant. An integer constant is a numeric constant associated with number without any fractional or exponential part, like decimal constant which has a base 10, octal constant which has a base 8, hexadecimal constant which has a base 16. Integer constants are taken from number system. The example of decimal constant, octal constant, hexadecimal constants are: first, decimal constant 0, minus 9, 22, etc. Second, octal constant 021, 077, 033, etc. Third one, hexadecimal constant 0 into 7f, 0 into 2a, 0 into 521, etc. In C programming, octal start with 0 and hexadecimal starts with 0x. Second, a floating point constant is a second topic. A floating point constant is a numeric constant that has either a fractional form or an exponent form. Here, few example of floating point constant: minus 2.0, 0.000324, and minus 0.22e minus 5, etc. e minus 5 is integrated as 10 power of minus 5. In computer language, exponent form is assigned as e minus 5. The third type is character constant. A character constant is a constant which uses single quotation around characters. For example, single quote A, single quote S, single quote L, single quote T. Fourth type is escape sequence. Sometimes it is necessary to use characters which cannot be typed or has special meaning in C programming. For example, new line is used to enter next line, tab, question mark, etc. In order to use these characters, escape sequence is used. Let us get into the detail of escape sequence. The backslash causes escape from the normal way the characters are interpreted by the compiler. Here is the table which shows escape sequence and the characters. Backslash B is used for the backspace. Backslash F is used for the form feed. Backslash N is used for the new line. Backslash R is used for the return. Backslash T is used for the horizontal tab. Backslash V is used for the vertical tab. Double backslash is used for the backslash. Backslash single quote is used for the single quotation mark. Backslash double quote is used for the double quotation mark. Backslash quotation mark is used for the quotation mark, and backslash 0 is used for the null character. Fifth type is string constants. String constants are the constants which are enclosed in a pair double quotation marks. For another good example is an empty string, that is a null string constant. We are having another example of a string constant with 6 white spaces. We can also discuss as earth is round backslash n in double quotation marks, which prints the statement in a new line. The sixth statement is a enumeration constant. Keyword enum is used to define enumeration types. What are enumeration types? The answer is, it is a user-defined data type to assign integral constant. It makes a program easy to read and maintain. For example, enum color with value as yellow, green, black, white, etc. We can also use another example of enum float with different of values or enum integer, etc. The second concept is definition of variables and classifications. What is a variable? The answer is, variable is a name given to the memory location that our programs can manipulate. Each variable in C language has a specific type, which determines the size and layout of the variable's memory. The range of values that can be stored within the memory and the operations that can be applied to the variable are simple. The name of variable can be composed of letters, digits, and the underscore character. It must begin with either a letter or an underscore. The upper and lowercase letters are distinct because C is a case-sensitive language. Types of variables. Mainly, variables are classified into two types. They are, first one, local variable, and the second one, global variable. Now, let us discuss about first one, local variable. A variable which is declared inside specific function is referred as local variables of that function. The second point is default initial value of local variable is usually garbage. The third point is life and scope of local variable is limited to function. The second type of variable is a global variable. A variable which is declared outside of all functions is referred as global variable. The default initial value of global variable is 0. The life and scope of global variable is complete in the program. The global variable can be accessed anywhere in the program. That is, taken as example as int a equal to 10 ending with a semicolon, and then it is known as global variable. Next, we have the function definition like function fun with method, and then we have initialized a variable of b as 5. This is known as local variable. Local variables are always declared inside a function, whereas global values are declared outside the function. Thanks for watching. Please share and refer your friends.